Creating a Wise digital card is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, create a Wise account. If you don't have one already, visit wise.com and sign up for a free account. Provide your details, including your name, address, and date of birth. Verify your identity by uploading a government-issued photo ID. While not required for a digital card, ordering a physical card first can streamline the process in some regions. Then, go to the Cards tab in your Wise account. Next, select Order Your Card. Pay the card delivery fee if applicable. After that, download the Wise application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then log in to your Wise account using the app. Now within the app, navigate to the Cards tab. Here, find the option for Digital Card or Get a Digital Card and tap on it. After that, enter your card details, including your name and address. Set a PIN for your card. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Next, your digital card will be created and ready for use immediately. So, go to the Cards tab in your Wise account. Find the option for Digital Card or Get a Digital Card and click it. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your card. Add funds to your Wise account to start using your digital card. You can top up using a debit card, bank transfer, or other supported methods.